Hello! In this video, I will show you how to prepare Scratch for programming LEGO WeDo 2.0 robots on the laptop with Windows 10 operating system. The very first thing you want to do is open your favorite internet browser and go to scratch.mit.edu. This is the main website of Scratch from which we can easily access the editor. All we need to do is click Create at the top of the page. Let's do this. Okay, now we are in our coding editor where we can create programs by assembling blocks together. Now, as you can see, a lot here is going on, and we have this tutorial right in the center of the page. Now, this is something that I would certainly recommend you to go through if you are completely new to Scratch. However, for now, I'm going to close this window with tutorial. Okay, below it on the right we have the stage, that's where the famous cat resides. On the left we have code blocks that we're going to use to create programs for the robots. Now you can see that there's a lot of categories, okay? However, as you scroll through those blocks, you will inevitably notice that there are no blocks with which we could control the electronic elements of WeDo 2.0. No, to include them, we need to actually add an extension in Scratch. And to do this, we need to scroll a bit down until we reach the bottom of the editor and see this blue Add Extension icon in the bottom left part of the page. Let's click on it. And here, you need to find the extension that matches your robotics kit, that is LEGO Education WeDo 2.0. Let's select it. Now, this way we have already added those new code blocks to the coding palette. However, notice that a window popped up encouraging us to connect the Smart Hub to the device right now. Well, there is one problem. I am using a laptop now with Windows, and this means that if I just add an extension and that's it, I won't be able to connect my Smart Hub to the device. There is one more app that I need to download and install before that's possible. The easiest way to find this app, it's called Scratch Link, is to click Help in this pop-up window. Let's do this. A new website on a new tab has opened, okay? And as we scroll just a little bit lower, you'll see Install Scratch Link. That is exactly what we were looking for. Now, I am using Windows right now, so of course my operating system is Windows, and I will stay here. In addition, you have Mac, Chrome, and Android. The next step is, of course, to download Scratch Link. So I will do just that. Okay, now let's find it and install it. The file that I downloaded is right here on my desktop. Let's open it. Inside, you should find Scratch Link Setup. It is an installer package, so of course it will install the app on my laptop. Okay. Click Next. Certainly yes. Okay. And now the installation process is complete, so we can finish. Now that Scratch Link is installed, we still need to activate it so that it can run in the background as we are programming. Now, the easiest way to do that is, of course, to look for Scratch Link in your search bar, click on it, and you'll see that nothing happened. That's okay. We still need to check if it is running in the background, and it should be visible right here. All right, you can see that it is right here running and it is active. So that means we can return to the Scratch editor. Now I'm back at Scratch 3.0 editor. Now, we have already added new code blocks for WeDo 2.0. We have installed and activated Scratch Link, but there's one more thing to check. We need to check if the Bluetooth in our device is enabled. To do that, simply go here, okay, click here and enable Bluetooth. Okay, it's not connected with anything yet, but that will soon change. Okay, now it's time to connect Scratch with the Smart Hub from LEGO WeDo 2.0. I have mine right here. Remember that in order to activate the Smart Hub, you need to have charged batteries inside. Without them, there's no way it will work. Okay, now to connect the Smart Hub to Scratch, we first need to activate it by pressing this button in the middle of the Smart Hub until you see the LED starts flashing. Once it does, click Start Searching in Scratch and wait until the connection is established. Okay, success, it is connected. You also see this on the Smart Hub because the LED diode will change the color. Okay, now let's go to the editor. Okay, and here you can see all those new blocks included in the extension. Okay, now let's check if everything works correctly. And for that, I will need to quickly build a robot to show you the possibilities of those code blocks. Above my head, you can see the robot I will use to test the connection. On this side, you can also see the very simple program I created for this robot with the same purpose. Now notice the light shining on Smart Hub and also this green check mark in Scratch next to WeDo 2.0 blocks. Both of them mean that the connection is established. Now let's see if that's really the case. If it is, it means that once I click the up arrow key, you will see this robot move. Let's check this. Okay, now let's see if I can stop the motor as well. Let's double check just to be sure. Alright, everything works. This means that I can keep on programming, making more advanced programs and not worry about any connectivity issues. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and I hope you will have fun programming and building robots. I'm sure you will learn a lot too. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you have an amazing day.